Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use functions in PHP scripts. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use basics functions in PHP. So first of all, what is a function? So a function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task, right? And why do we use function? To increase the readability of the program and to perform a task which is repetitive in nature. Okay, so for example, first of all I will show you how to declare a function, and then I will explain what this is doing. So function is declared like this, okay, and this brace, this it has these braces and curly braces. So this is the basic skeleton of a function, okay. And why do we use function? Function is a piece of code which we use to execute a particular task. So for example, I want to print something, so echo, and for example I want to echo hello world, and I want to echo hello world, for example hello world, and with comma and in bold. This is just an example I'm giving. In the real world, you can use function better than this. So for example, I want to use I want to print these lines of code again and again in my PHP script. Okay, so I want to use these three lines, or I want to print these three lines again and again in my PHP script. Okay, and I don't want to repeat these lines again and again. So what we can do, we can make a function called hello world function, or I will rename it as hello underscore world. So this is the basic declaration of a function. You have the name or keyword function, and then you name your function anything. You can name your function anything other than reserved function in PHP. So there are some reserved functions in PHP which you cannot use. Other than those, you can declare any name to your function. Okay. So for example, I want to print these three lines, and I can just call my function. So this is the declaration of function. Now, once you declare a function, you can call your function from anywhere from your PHP code if it's a global function. And we will talk about global function in some other video. But to call this function, you just need to write the name of the function, and you just need to copy the signature. So just copy this and paste it as it is, and just add a semicolon. So what is this? This is a declaration or definition of a function, and this is a function call. So you're calling this function, and whenever PHP sees that you are calling the function, it will go here and it will execute the function when you call this. I will save it and I will try to run this, and this is my function PHP. I will run it, and I can see hello world again and again, but let's put a break here. Let's put some break here and here. Okay, and I will save it and refresh this, and now I can see hello world 3 times. Now suppose there is a need that these three lines have to be used again and again in my program. Okay, this is a stupid example, but yeah, there is a need to call this function again and again, or call these three lines of code again and again. So what are the options? You just need to rewrite these three lines again and again, somewhere again and again, okay, 3 or 4 lines, and this makes your code really messy, right? So in order to make your code readable, right, and if you want to just perform this task again and again, what you can do is you can just call this function again and again, and it will just execute these 3 lines of code, and this makes your code really readable, and you don't have to type these 3 lines again and again, right? So I can just call my function 2 times in my program, and it will print me this again, right? So this is the basic use of function. Okay, so this is how you can use basic function in PHP. There are other two types of function declaration, which are called function with argument and function that returns value, which we are going to see in the next videos. So please keep watching, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.